We're at Essen 2021 with KW Automotive. Let's meet Klaus, the man behind all of these awesome brands.
First of all, we are happy to be back here at the show in Essen. After the COVID situation and the ongoing, issues we are dealing with, we are really happy to be here. 2021 has been an exciting year for us. Lots of additions to the KW group, and that finally made us exhibiting in a way larger scale than we used to do in the past. I started, as a small retail shop 30 years ago. And over the time, we differentiated to different market groups, different customers in the suspension business. We are of course known for the purple and yellow KW, but ST is our secondary brand. AP, like an entrance level product line for sport compact cars. But we are expanding in other areas, like Reiger, being in the high-end off-road segment. BBS in a wheel business, and a couple other things which we have collected under the KW hood. I have a big passion, obviously, for that industry, for cars in general. And when I started out the business 30 years ago, it's been for me and my friends, and the group of customers expanded over time. We try to satisfy people, get them excited in what we are doing, and it's still the same passion I feel in myself. And wherever there is an opportunity, wherever customers ask us for something new, we open-minded, and if there is a fit, I do not mind to take on another chance. With all the additions, in 2021, obviously there is a lot of new directions. Reiger being just in racing, rolling out an aftermarket product line. That's a big venture, a big challenge to prepare for, but there's also a huge worldwide potential market for those products. That's definitely a challenge we like to take on. BBS, obviously we all have some kind of connection, some kind of memory, some kind of ideas. We are connecting with the BBS brand, and it's the same for myself. So getting the opportunity to be the owner of BBS and trying to make a change for that worldwide known brand is a challenge. I really wanted to take on personally. We haven't really taken care of the aftermarket business in the last 12, 14 years. OE business was our focus. We are right now in a transition phase to fade out the OEM business and focus more and more on the aftermarket business. We have to develop new products, new applications, lots of other things you need to prepare first before you're rolling out a new strategy, new concept to the market. That's something we are targeting for Q2 2022, and I'm pretty sure people will be surprised and hopefully pleased with the new ideas, the new products, the new opportunities that will come with that new concept. Sometimes I feel that it's quite simple. Many people don't listen to the market, they don't listen to the customers. BBS unfortunately is being a company, a brand, being with that mindset. That's something I already changed, and that's why I have big hopes that we'll get BBS back on track quite soon. For the performance aftermarket business products we manufacture, basically with a mission in mind to provide the perfect suspension for every demand. For that reason we got different brands, different customer groups, different price segments, different technologies, and we set up a factory in Fichtenberg which is first of all capable to build all those one-offs. So every kit we build is a custom build for somebody out there in the market. We don't build stuff on inventory, we build kits to custom order. That's very special, and that's what Fichtenberg is specialized, and the new warehouse, the new workflow supports that philosophy, building the matching suspension for every customer out there in the market. On the other hand, we have also taken on now industrial production places with Alco, in China and in Spain. We got a lot of technology developed over the last couple of years, which is interesting technology to solve other issues in the suspension market, and then it's an area where we would like to grow into as well. I'm a traditional motorsport guy, and when I started my motorsport career, there was not that many options. So we can see diversification in motorsport as well, and all those young motorsports, drifting, being able to support people like Bugsy, Drift Brothers, being involved in that industry is something we really appreciate. It's again a challenge for us to provide the right technology, getting those guys performing better. Yeah, that's what we've always tried to do. We want to make a difference with our work, and if we can contribute just a little bit to get those guys to the next level, that's something we are super proud about. AP for us is like our entry-level product line. People who want to have a reliable quality, from an experienced partner, they will find probably the best product for value within the AP brand. You could say it's the same like the KW product 15, 20 years ago. We still have similar technology in some of our brands and products, and it's quite a solid quality at a reasonable price, and offers the best value for money, and that's what AP should be known for. Every customer we can satisfy, is a customer we'd like to work with. If you have a big budget or a smaller budget, we all started out somewhere. And look at myself, I had to start with small budgets. I'm always kidding. I said, back in the days, I had plenty of time, to work on my cars, build my own race cars, race myself. I could not afford buying more than one set of tires, for a season. Now I would probably have, all the money you need in order to race. I have all the connections, but I'm missing the time to enjoy racing. So, I'm just, a guy like, everybody else, like all the other guys, probably have to start and work their way up. And, for me, it's a no-brainer that I want to, work with those people as well, and help them to get the best possible product for the budget they have at the time. We're on a growth path which I would have never expected, but that's thanks to the customers, who obviously appreciate our work. They appreciate it in a way that they buy our products. That makes us a decent margin, which I have in my entire life always invested in growing the business. I started 30 years ago, out of the bedroom in my parents' house, buying some parts for myself and friends, opened a small retail shop, a little bit more than 25 years ago we fabricated the first coilover kits. In '99 I was forced to build my own shock absorbers because our suppliers didn't want to fulfill existing agreements any longer. Now 30 years later I have a little bit more than 1,100 employees, 14 production facilities, brands created like KW, a brand like BBS under the roof of KW Group, thanks to the customers buying our products. And whenever customers are not happy, not satisfied in what we are doing, please give us a feedback. That helps us to grow, just having that mindset that we would like to get customers satisfied, if possible, excited. And with that mindset, we have been quite successful. And you switch on TV and you get to see some kind of motorsport activities on 4 wheels. There is a very high chance that you see one of our products. And you see, it's all the employees who make the difference. All the employees get the work done. I'm just the owner, the founder of the business. And getting feedback from the market is just an award, kind of an award to see that our products are succeeding in the market. No matter if that's now a Dakar Rally, a WRX, WRC car, but same goes for BBS. BBS being in 2022 the exclusive supplier in NASCAR, exclusive in Formula One. You win a Dakar, you win 24-hour race. There is not much more you can succeed in, and that's kind of a boy's dream come true, or probably a dream too big you can usually dream, and you know, I'm fortunately in the position that that I'm part of that, and all my employees are as well. There's a long way, you know, we came, and there is probably a much longer way to go, and I'm looking forward to that.
Stay tuned for more here at Essen 2021 with KW Automotive TV.